So, this side of the truck is extremely uncomfortable. I've never sat over here on the nitrous bottle before. And you're probably wondering, what in the hell am I doing? But I've got some LED lights. They're not bright. I actually don't know what they're for, and I don't know where they came from. I've had them for a long time. The in-cab video from the GoPro. At nighttime, I have some in-cab lights, which I've got a big LED here and a big strip over here, but it's way too bright for me at night. So what we're going to try to do is put these in the corner and hope that it isn't too bright. May angle them up so it shines on the roof. We want just enough of a glow that you can see what's going on, maybe not too bright. I don't want it to look like a rave party in here or anything, but I don't have white. I would probably do white if I had it, but I have these. So I'm gonna run some wires in here and see what I can come up with. So Dad just come out here, leaned in to see what I was doing, realized I have no gauges. When I mean no gauges, I mean no gauges. We've had a bunch of junk gauges over the years that kept going in and out, would work, then they wouldn't. The last thing that worked was voltage and tack, wasn't it? Then the tack quit working, so I said, hell with it. Pulled it all out. My intentions was to buy a Holly Dash before they turned into $1,000 to $2,000. But, oh well. And I have these on keyed hot, so they'll always be on. Then I can hit that and have the extra lights. It ain't pretty, but it'll work. And hopefully it's just enough glow to see in here. And hopefully it's just got enough glow to see in here. Get some zip ties, clean all that up. I ain't going to.
I'm going back in.
Alright. So, of course it's too bright outside to be able to tell. So what I'll do is I'll come back out here in a few hours and get a better idea of just how bright this is from inside. I think it's going to be okay. But there's that one. And this one, you know, you can see it's shining on the roof. That was kind of more of my plan. Was to have the light kind of, I don't know. It may work. If it don't, we will find, well, I mean, I'm sure I probably have something somewhere, a white light or something. We'll add something because a lot of you guys have told me you like the in-cab videos, and I mean, I do too. I also like to hear the way the motor sounds going down track, and gives you an idea of what's going on from my point of view. Also, I want to get a, I've got it, but I want to put a GoPro on the side of my helmet. I know Billy and Tommy, they post videos, and I really like that view, so we may start doing that as well. I'll probably just get another GoPro or two in the process. But I'll come out here in a few hours and give you a better view of just how bright or dim these really are. So it's finally dark enough, and we wanted to show off this light. Tell me when you're ready, Bubby.
Wait.
Count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's a little brighter than I thought it was going to be. That'll work.
Yeah.
Stand up, and I'm going to shut the door, and I'm going to look from the front side. Stand all the way up. Well, that'll work. Give him a thumbs up, Bubby. Thanks.